Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your work. Make a backup copy and file publish to Roblox as and save locally. Once done, open Roblox Studio and load the exact place you'll change. This avoids syncing errors. You should also inspect game settings now, confirm name, description, permissions, and set a clear version note so players and collaborators know what changed. Doing these prerequisites first prevents accidental overwrites and keeps a rollback point ready if something breaks during later edits. You now make the actual changes, update scripts, adjust GUI, swap, or add assets, and factor shared logic into module scripts to reduce duplication. After each meaningful edit, run Play Solo and Play Here, then run a server plus player test to catch replication issues. Make incremental saves and use source control or Roblox version history so you can revert specific changes. As you test, watch the output and performance tabs for errors and memory spikes. Address them before moving to publish to avoid breaking live play. You finish by publishing the updated place with a clear version note via file publish to Roblox as. Once published, verify on the live build by inviting a small test group or using a private test server. Check spawn behavior, monetization, and leader stats. If something goes wrong, pause new player access, revert to your backup or previous version, and apply targeted hotfixes to scripts or assets. One key troubleshooting tip: use output logs and the event log to trace errors quickly and isolate faulty changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.